voyage is still great. Turkey leg is great. Everything's great. We're just chilling, man. Well met, travelers. Right back again where we left off, a lonesome rural road in Indiana. The weather is beginning to turn against us, but it is day 2 of Hollywood nights, even though right now it is an Indiana morning. Right now I'm getting my morning cardio in. I'm trying to do that more often. So I'm walking about 2 miles into town. Get some supplies for the hotel room and whatnot after the rental car shenanigans. After that, A to Z Thrills should be swinging by, pick us up, take us back over to the park, and we'll see how all these beautiful machines run when they're being poured upon by the heavens. Hope you'll join me. I'm just kidding. You're already here. You would have left by now if you were going to. Or you just did. I got you. I see you, George. Come with me, my friends. Let's have a good day. Oh, wait, there is a Denny's. I guess it's not that rural. Dale, Indiana is actually a nice little spot to take a morning walk. Also, do it for Dale. You guys have never seen one of these before. Let's go. Roll your window down. I'm trying to set up a scene. I can barely, never mind. A little rain is not gonna stop this coaster train. It's actually a fair amount of rain. This is less than ideal weather. We're doing it anyway, boys and girls. Guys, I found a crawfish, literally, in the middle of the path. I don't know. Voyage rain ride incoming. My eyes! My eyes! It got rainier and I found Sammy. Focus. Focus. There we go. Do you not speak anymore? What? I'm gonna get her checked out. After a few rain rides on the voyage, which hurt, we're gonna go do some rain rides on the Legend, but it's not raining right now. We'll see what happens. I'm back in Christmastown. So Legend is my second favorite here, I think, after Voyage. I really, really like that ride. It's running real well today, too. The rain has pretty much subsided. I was going to knock on wood, but there's not really any around here. It's probably going to come back. The forecast says it's going to come back, but the park is actually relatively empty. I think they're doing a tater tot bar and a trivia contest right now for the Thuzies, so let's go see what that's all about. So the Good Old Days Picnic Grove is where they've been doing all of our little special Thuzie food events here. This started 30 minutes ago. Apparently it's a tater tot bar and trivia contest. I'm gonna see if I've already completely missed it.
So I'm going to say one more time, we have a lovely spot line here in the red shelter. We have a matching food line available in the blue shelter. Tots, chips, gravy, a wonderful thing.
My hair is officially ruined. Well, to me it is. I worked so hard to style this today into like concrete because of the rain. Oh well. Anyway, we are kind of in an interim lull period here. We are here on a less stressful day. There's way fewer GP here because the weather has driven most people out. And we're kind of just hanging around waiting for the ERT tonight. I may go do the dark ride. I'm trying to think of things I haven't done yet. So that's one of them. We'll see what happens. As you can see, things are much, much quieter around Thanksgiving Town today. and I have yet to sneak in a ride on Thunderbird yet. I'm gonna be real with you. I've been thinking about Good Gravy since I rode it twice yesterday, once during the day and once at night. I really do think it is a good starter coaster, good coaster for kids, families, but while I appreciate what it is, and I do think it fits well in this park, I think it's great that it's here. Any new ride is a great ride. I don't think I'll ride it again. It's not for me, to be fair, really. And I have the credit, but it's so short. But what do you expect? I'm good. I don't think I'll ride it again. Theming in the queue, though, immaculate. Again, no disrespect to her. Very, very cool ride. And I love the theming. Just not for me. I'm not the demo. So I think it's time to get back on Thunderbird because we really enjoy this ride, don't we? It's a really good wing coaster. Actually, the launch is way more punchy than you would expect, and it is a really good time. I kind of wish it was still raining right now because some weird part of me is a little masochistic about the rain rides. I like them. Oh well, on we go. Thunderbird is still so good. I really like Thunderbird. I don't know how another wing coaster could beat that. I don't know what other ones I need, but that one is killer. We still haven't done the dark ride. I think I mentioned that earlier. I may not have. My brain is soup at this point. I think we're gonna go do the dark ride. It's right there. See? I told you. It's right there.
The turkey gobbler thing.
The dark ride?
The dark ride?
No, the spinny one.
Oh, the turkey whirl.
Ride.
Yeah.
What's that called?
Turkey whirl.
Turkey whirl.
Turkey whirl.
Yeah.
Awesome sauce. What's your favorite YouTube channel?
Your guy.
It's Airtime Obsessed.
That.
All right.
There's a horsefly actively biting my leg.
I want to see that too.
I was like, what is happening? Sick. So the turkeys are getting away, I think, and you have to wrangle them
Yeah, you're trying to get
for
away.
their inevitable death and consumption.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sick, dude. I love Thanksgiving. Okay, so it's a shooty boy. I think I already knew that, but it smells weird. It smells bad in here. Like bad. Oh my God, Grandma, please calm down. It's not that serious. Put the phaser down.
Yo, she always keeps that thing. Yo, don't point at it.
Penny, call the police. She's lost it.
She's pointing at me. I don't like that.
That cat is unquestionably dead. Oh my God. 1,080 points.
690. Good shooting, turkey.
Don't ever call me that again. You know my history with that.
No, you should have seen our picture. Our hair is like.
Voyage is still great. Turkey leg is great. Everything's great. We're just chilling, man. You know, this park is an absolute vibe, man. It is really chilling here, especially with this weather. It feels great outside. Indiana's got some, well, I guess most people would say this isn't good weather. For me, it is. I love this. Gray, overcast, cloudy, cool, light breeze, rain every now and again. So good. Penny went off to ride the train. He's the only one on it. He's doing a Zen ride on the children's train. It's pretty funny. I'm gonna put a clip in. Penny's doing the tower. I'm not in a flat rides mood today, but I'm here for the ride. You know, I realized I hadn't really shown off this kind of angle coming into the Christmas town land. This is way cooler at night. I'll come give you another shot of it then. But you got Santa's Merry Marketplace. Hello, small bird. Hi, small friend. Santa's Merry Marketplace, like pizza, some Asian cuisine. And then you get the greetings from Santa Claus land, Santa Claus, Indiana, which is the town we are in, or city. And now we are in Christmas Town, or Christmas Square. And there's your Holiday World water tower, way out there in the distance. It's actually full of holiday cheer. You know, I do really like the entrance for the Raven, I'll give it that. Okay, so you see this right here? This is delicious. This is how a theme park should do cheese sauce. This is a little spicy, a little earthy, very cheesy. It's delicious trash. I love it. This pretzel's great too. This is a good pretzel with cheese. This is always a risky buy, but this one bangs.
Already noticed there are two lines for the food. We have one in the red shelter and one in the blue shelter. You're already doing a pretty good job.
Boom. Vegan cheesecake, not vegan food. Bye. See you later. Dinner was good. ERT has begun. First up, the legend. Let's do it again. Y'all, this woman is still moving in there. I do not like that even a little bit. Oh God. This is the coolest thing to be in here when it's empty like this. All right, y'all, we did a few more rides. I'll be honest with you, I haven't thought much about filming. Almost ran into a fence post there. We're gonna do Thunderbird. We're gonna maybe do one or two other things, and then we're gonna call it a day on this. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this adventure. Please do all the things that made me cringe to say, and you know that, no. They make me cringe to say, and you know they do. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, whatever it is you people do out there. And with all that being said, until we meet again, travelers, from Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana, all praise to the voyage. Godspeed, travelers.